Ever wanted a designer-looking lamp without the designer price tag? Start by grabbing a few plastic bowls from the dollar store. Flip and glue them together to create a stacked base. Then give everything a coat of your favorite paint. Then finish off with a solar light. It's the easiest outdoor solar lamp that works anywhere. For this next project, we're turning basic dollar store stackable bins into an easy functional organizer. Start by hot gluing the bins together. Once they're secure, attach small square mirrors to the outer sides for a chic reflective touch. Now grab a metal cake pan and fill it with marbles. Then place another round tray on top. Set your mirrored organizer on top and you've got a rotating bathroom caddy that's perfect for makeup, skincare, or everyday essentials. This next project might be the easiest countertop organizer you'll ever make. Take 3 mini wooden crates from the Dollar Tree. Using a staple gun, attach the crates at an angle, stacking them one above the other so they tilt slightly forward. This creates an accessible tiered organizer where you can keep anything. Compact, clean, and totally customizable for your bathroom style. Lastly, we're making a candle that looks like it came from a high-end home store. Take 2 glass bowls from the Dollar Tree and glue them together. Once they are dry, paint the entire piece, then go over with a light coat of a stone-textured spray paint for a chic ceramic finish. Fill it with melted wax and your favorite scent. And just like that, you've got a stunning tabletop candle that adds instant luxury to any space.